numbers. I will call one by one near the blackboard and you will come. Which number I will speak, you will put the circle on this number. Are you ready for this activity? So let's start. Harkirat, put the circle on number 7. Find out 7 number firstly. 7, where is 7?
7.
Yeah, number. Very good. Claire, put the circle on number 4. Where is number 4? Firstly find out 4 number. Very good. Jasleen, put the circle on number 2. Very good. Now put the circle. Very good. On number 8. Number 8. Put the circle. Where is 8 number? 8. Yes. Now put the circle. Very good. Clapping. B. Find out 5 number and put the circle. Where is 5? Very good. Find out 6 number and put the circle. Where is 6? Very good. Clapping for Riyan. Beta, find out 9 number and put the circle. Where is 9? Very good. Prachi, find out 3 number and put the circle. Where is 3? Yes, very good. Put the circle. Very good. Clapping for Prachi. Very good. Gurnur, put the circle on number 1. Where is number 1? Yes, put the circle. Very good. Clapping for Gurnur. Gitesh, put the circle on number 5. Where is number 5? Very good. Now put the circle. Very good. Clapping. Find out 7 number and put the circle. Where is 7? Very good. Put the circle. Very nice. Find out 9 number and put the circle. Where is 9 number? Look at the blackboard firstly. Yes, very good. Herman, find out 3 number and put the circle. Where is 3 number? Yes, very good. Find out number 4 and put the circle. Where is number 4? Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Find out 5 number and put the circle. Find out 5 number. Yes, very good. Jashandeep, find out number 6 and put the circle. Where is 6 number? Look at the blackboard carefully. Where is number 6? Very good. Now put the circle. Very good. Out 5 number and put the circle. Yes. Now put the circle. Very good. Simone, find out 9 number and put the circle. Where is 9 number? Find out 8 number and put the circle. Where is 8 number? 8. Very good. Find out 9 number and put the circle. Where is 9 number? Very good. Per, find out 4 number and put the circle. Where is number 4? Very good. Clapping. Biras, find out 3 number and put the circle. Very good. Avneet, find out 4 number and put the circle. Where is 4 number? Very good. Now put the circle. Very good. Now find out 5 number and put the circle. Put the circle on 5 number. Very good. Good boy. Shiva, find out 2 number and put the circle. Very good. Now put the circle. Yes, yes. Put the circle. Very good. Good boy.